This is the one-unit bedroom of Camella Manors, and I can't wait to show you around. Good morning, home dreamers. My name is Vandolph Estrada, and welcome to the first condominium not just in Butuan City, but entire Caraga Region, Camella Manors Soleia. At my back is the ongoing development of our project. Camella Manors is a 47-story building, and good news, home dreamers, our first building will commence next month. Here in Camella Manors Soleia, we offer studio unit and one-bedroom unit. What are you waiting for, home dreamers? Invest now and experience the lifestyle you deserve.